Welcome. Let's start making the glass dessert. Prepare an 18 cm baking ring. Place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Let it heat thoroughly. Crack room temperature eggs into a bowl. Why room temperature? Cold eggs whip reluctantly, like sleepy chefs in the morning. Add sugar according to the recipe. Whip with a mixer. Start on low speed, then medium. Whip for 7 to 10 minutes until pale, fluffy, and airy. Carefully sift flour through a sieve directly into the bowl. This aerates the flour, making it lighter than down. Gently fold ingredients with a spatula using bottom-to-top motions. Preserve that precious air. Fold like a secret letter. Bake the sponge immediately after preparing the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared ring on the baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. While the sponge bakes, prepare the cream and fruits. Sponge done? Check with a toothpick. It should come out clean. Remove from oven. Let the sponge cool for 10 minutes in the ring. Removing it too soon may cause collapsing or tearing. After 10 minutes, remove the ring. Let the sponge cool completely on a wire rack. Patience is a spice many forget to add. Once fully cooled, dice the sponge or grate into crumbs. Take out chilled cream. Pour cream into a cold bowl. Add sugar. Whip with a mixer until stiff peaks form. Stiff peaks mean you could turn the bowl upside down, but cleaning afterward takes longer than baking the sponge. Refrigerate the whipped cream. Assembly time. Take beautiful transparent glasses. Dice the kiwi. Add a layer of sponge crumbs to the bottom. Lightly tamp with a spoon, creating a base. Top with a layer of diced kiwi and raspberries. Bright and juicy layer. Repeat another layer of sponge crumbs. Generously cover everything with whipped cream almost to the top. More cream equals happier dessert. That's the law. Smooth the cream surface with a spatula. Dessert assembly is like playing Tetris, just tastier. Melt some chocolate. Transfer to a piping bag. Draw your favorite players' numbers or patterns on the cream. They say athletes should eat healthy, but we hope they'll forgive this diet cheat. Dessert is ready to serve and impress. Thank you for watching. If this recipe was helpful, support with a like, the best seasoning for our channel. Subscribe for updates, share your results and best sponge recipes in the comments. Cook with joy and a sense of humor.